versus SRship.
Yeah, so
beginning. Yes, sir.
I'll explain. This is the question: fellowship versus SRship, right? Fellowship is an attraction of a established system, right? Where you want to enter. ठीक है?
Agreed.
SRship is something which you are already into a system, and आपको वो इतना ना उस टाइम पे फैंटेसाइज नहीं करता, इतना आपको लगता नहीं अरे यार मजा आएगा. बट आप एक बात सोचिए, you have seen a robot today, right? All the robots we are supposed to put the pins,
right?
If you have not learned how to put external fixator,
पिन कैसे लगाओगे?
आप पिन ही लगा पाओगे. You will not be able to start operating with robotic knee replacements. True?
Right.
This is a clear example that your basics have to be clear. Right. What happened is, as India is growing, the number of postgraduate seats for multiple reasons are increasing. Right. The surgery OT time is limited. If there are more number of seats, it automatically means that as a postgraduate, you will get less number of cases to operate. True?
Right, sir.
Then how will you understand orthopedics
Without
as a
SRship.
surgical branch without SRship? I say that our residency is not 3 years, it's always 6 years.
It's always. और बाहर भी sir, it's always 6 years.
There's a reason
India.
for it, right? You need to understand one thing: operating is one part, following up is another. My teacher used to say, operate मत करो, किसी का follow कर लो, तुमने सीख जाओगे तुम.
Agreed.
So it is extremely important that your learning curve should be valued, and it should be at a good institute. You have done SRship.
Yes, sir.
It benefited you.
100%.
And it also developed your surgical skills, the reflexes. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि straight away going to fellowship, we all know in fellowships we are more of observerships. We don't get hands-on, right? It is the institute's choice where to place you, and there also there will be SRs. They'll be given preference over you.
100%.
So the first thing is choose the branch, leave the college. For example, तुम्हें जिससे शादी करनी है उसका वेन्यू से कोई रिश्ता नहीं है.
हाँ.
लोग वेन्यू के लिए अपनी ब्राइड नहीं बदलते ना,
राइट,
ब्रांच बदलते हैं. इट्स सो फनी कि सर मुझको एम्स में ऑफ्था मिल रहा था और मेरे को तो सर्जरी चाहिए थी, वो एम्स में नहीं मिली, बट मुझे कहीं और मिल रही थी, वो मैंने नहीं ली
एम्स के लिए.
आई डोंट नो, मतलब हाउ डज इट वर्क. 6 महीने बाद बंदे का मेल आता है कि सर मैंने छोड़ दी ब्रांच. होना ही है ना, तो
होना ही था, पहले ही पता था.
वो रिश्ता तो डे 1 पे टूटना था भाई. जिससे प्यार है उससे शादी करोगे, सिंपल रहेगी जिंदगी. कंफ्यूजन लाने क्यों, एंगल क्यों बनाने हैं, यहाँ लोग अटक जाते हैं. तो इसीलिए ब्रांच के बाद SRship आपको बताएगी आपको फेलोशिप कहाँ करनी है.
एग्जैक्टली, दैट्स ऑल्सो माई थिंग,
राइट.